guys, welcome back to my channel on this very rainy Monday night. Today is the 12th and I am using a new kit that is coming out this week. I am going to be doing Black Friday early. So it's gonna be going on for a week. That way you guys kind of know what I have. If you're like, okay, well I kind of want to wait to see what everyone else is doing, I'm not offended. I've been gone for a minute because, you know, foiling issues, which I've explained in my last two Plan With Me's. If you would like to check those out, you are more than welcome to. I'm still in limbo. Summary. Okay, so I went out and got another mink, and I am happy to have my foiling capabilities back. I'm absolutely obsessed with foil, and I was super sad that essentially I debated releasing my Christmas kits along with no foil, and that would have been super tragic. I know foil is not everything, but I've been doing foil since 2015. Yes, I know. I'm showing how long I've been doing it and how little my shop is. I don't know what to say. Maybe my things suck, okay? But I was super happy back in 2015 when I was like, oh my God, I got this, like no big deal. And then, you know, the foil thing blew up. Of course, I've been able to perfect my foil since then, so that's always great, learning from your mistakes, and I've made plenty of them, don't you worry, is always a good thing. But now, I am definitely in better shape when it comes to my foiling, except for my previous foil machine. So, feels good to have a like brand new kit. I do have the other two Christmas kits coming, but I kind of wanted to show off this kit because this kit's kind of a mystery to you guys. You haven't seen it. This is a work from home from Chic Street Sticker Boutique. And it's really crappily foiled because I was trying to test other foils from like that machine to see if it would foil, and again, that looks really bad. But you know what? It's my planner. I'll be okay. I'm kind of filling in today, because it is today, a little bit more than I probably normally would, because I would kind of do just like a week setup instead of just, I want to do a light one here, like a so detailed first day, but I'm gonna try to put as much in as possible. That way I can make this Plan With Me a little bit more interesting. And I'm gonna try, can't say I will, I'm gonna try to make, oh, I just lost my train of thought. That's what I get for emphasizing. Oh, I think I was gonna say I was gonna try to get through this Plan With Me correctly and not be such a hot mess. I can't guarantee that, because the last ones I've done, I've had to go back over with voiceovers because I am just a fumbling idiot. So, needless to say, I want to sound a little bit more intelligent in my Plan With Me, so hopefully, I'm probably making it way worse, so I'm gonna just stop. I pretty much just did that. I didn't do any editing today. I was supposed to, but I didn't. And then I got, so I have to clean for my in-laws coming in because I kind of put everything in my guest room. I'm not gonna lie. So I definitely need to clean that. I'm gonna stick this up here for my video that goes live tomorrow. Or do I have two? Hang on. Yes, I have two videos going live tomorrow. It's fine. So that means I have a new gel nail, like, what are they called? More things. I got more tubes of color or pots of color. And then I also have the second Austin vlog going live and then coming home and then kind of an update on Mickey. So that will be that day. And then I'll have another vlog here. Let me kind of just shove this up here. So 1, 2, 3. So I will have a nail tutorial here. Yeah, I know. And then another actually, so I'll have a double one here again, which is fine. I may do this plan with me here instead of the vlog. I know the vlog will be here. Maybe I'll do the plan with me here, vlog here. Because I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little behind on vlogs, and it's only because I didn't vlog quite a bit, so I have actually quite a bit to add. Like when I'm going to upload, it's going to be like larger periods of time, and some of them may actually have some gaps, which is fine. It's really fine, but it's kind of an oopsie because I don't want to say I haven't been vlogging too much, because I have. I feel like my vlogging has slacked some because I have been busy and then going out of town, and then you don't pick up the camera very much and you kind of forget these things. I'm probably gonna work from home on Friday. If not, no big deal. I'll just slip this in here. And then I can't believe next week is Thanksgiving. Is anyone else, that's probably really blown out. Sorry, I didn't realize that. That's like really, really scary to think about. I have my in-laws coming in, which I always enjoy when they come in because they're so easy, and they're not staying with us the entire time. They are splitting it between, I think I kind of want this up here. Can you see a pattern? I like it up here. His brother, or Mike's uncle, and our house. I'm gonna throw in date covers, but since I'm doing date covers, since I foiled them, I want to get my date thingies out. Do I have the right numbers? I do. I always make sure I have the right numbers before I fully commit to all of them, because that would really suck. I'm not gonna lie. But the benefit of these is that I can always print more and foil more because it's working. Like literally that foil machine has drained me. I'm telling y'all, I was so close to saying, screw this. I'm enjoying my time to myself, because I essentially, in college, I started doing jewelry, and I loved jewelry. I made a crap ton of money, and I enjoyed it. But I'm not gonna lie, the customers kind of like got to me because, you guys don't even know the entitlement these people have. If you're in the sticker world, people are so kind here, but everyone wanted jewelry for nothing. I'm talking 14 karat gold, real, I think I've even said this before, like real nice jewelry, handmade, like blood, sweat, and tears cuts, destroyed offices. Like, I'm telling you, it took a lot out of me. And so finally, when I decided that it would be no more, I went into stickers, and that income dropped dramatically. But I've essentially had 2 incomes, 2 jobs my entire adult life. That's crazy to me. I have always been a workaholic, and I try not to be. I try to do a work-life balance, but for me, it's really hard. Especially people can relate if you have a like normal 9-to-5 job and you do stickers. I mean, you're probably a workaholic. You know, they may use it to pay for their hobby, which I think a lot of people do, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's no like negative to this, but it really drained me. So by really, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh, use my brain here. Ay, totally blanked on it. And see, this is why I had to do a voiceover in my last ones, because I was terrible. So I think what I was saying, I think that I started to really enjoy not having to do anything else. Like, it was really nice to be able to just chill. I went to the gym, I did whatever I wanted, and it was just totally like normal, like what normal people do, like one job. It was great. But there's always a but. I tend to be a workaholic, so I tend to want to keep busy. I tend to want to do, you know, things. So by not working, it was like, what's the word I'm looking for? It was just getting to me. Like, I had all this time and I just needed to get back to work, and it was just something I needed to do. I'm going in with a really old Scribble Prints Co. I was gonna do it Thursday. Maybe I'll move it to Wednesday. I think I'm gonna take this pretty blue because I think that kind of matches the best. You know, I may move this. I'm gonna move this because it's supposed to be Thursday night. So I'll just slip this down here and we'll move this right up here. That's actually almost an exact match now that I look at that. So yes. And then I have all these here as well. These are super old too. I feel like I should have done some of these, but I don't want to like overwhelm the spread with foil, but I feel like that one down there could have used some foil. Yeah, so moral of the story, I kind of scared myself into not continuing because I felt like it was so easy to just not do it. Because, I don't know, having time on your hands is nice. But, you know, nothing changed in my life as far as, like, Mike still did his own thing. I still did my own thing. So, by giving myself all this time, I was just sitting around. Does that make sense? Like, I didn't feel productive, and I hate that feeling. I don't know if anyone else feels that way. Let me know. Do you guys go stir crazy when you feel like you should be doing something, but you're not? I could be alone on that. I mean, I'm probably not. Logic will tell me I'm probably not. And I didn't work out today, so I'm feeling kind of sluggish. Well, let's get back to today. This way. Oh, I hope this isn't terribly long with me just sounding like an idiot. But who knows? I want the little boxes. Come up here, and it's almost heat time. So today is the 12th, and don't get me wrong, it is chilly here, and we had chili for dinner. Funny, I know, but it's not quite, I mean, it's definitely chilly in the morning, but we have this like really thick blanket that I always put on like wintertime. So it's like really warm, like when you wake up, but when you have to get out of that, oh, my nails kind of match. It's like I'm totally doing a theme here. And then I'm going to call tomorrow. I know I'm kind of jumping all over the place. I was like, let's continue here, but one of these is not straight. I think it's the bildew, but it looks kind of straight to me, but not really. I can't tell. I think it's the bildew. But I don't know if I can get it up. Yeah, I can. Okay, that's better. Oh my gosh, if you just did this, it actually looks like totally together and just super cute. Okay, I miss this so much. It is almost 10 o'clock, so I'm going to chill and I'm probably going to watch some TV and go to bed because I'm not gonna sit here and do all this work because it's time for bed. I need to stick to my cutoff time still, but it's just hard. So, all right, I'm gonna end it here and this is where we're gonna be. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me, live plan with me, no voiceover, like straight me, straight hot mess. But this will be coming Saturday or Friday, and I am going to have a very, very nice coupon for you guys because I've been gone and it's Black Friday. Like I said, I want the coupon to go the entire time, so don't feel pressure that you have to get it in right away. I would like you to, so I could, you know, do it while I have all this time off. AKA, I'm taking, so Thanksgiving's here, I get Friday off, but the in-laws are in here, so I don't know what our plans are, but I'm taking Tuesday and Wednesday off, so give your girl some time to, you know, do these would be great. That way you guys get them faster. You know what I mean? So help me help you, you know? You know what I mean? Okay, I'm a mess. So, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.